Today we talk about how to use Zelle on the Capital One mobile app. To use Zelle on your Capital One account, you can download the Capital One app or use your online banking portal. Here is how to get started. 1. Download the Capital One app from your App Store or access your online banking portal. If you are not already a Capital One account holder, you will need to sign up for an account before using Zelle. 2. To use Zelle on the Capital One app, send a text message with the word mobile to 80101. This will verify your phone number on file and provide you with a download link for the app. 3. Once you have downloaded the app, sign in with your credit card and select the checking account you want to use. 4. Select the send money with Zelle option and enter all the necessary details such as the amount of money and the recipient name. 5. If you prefer to use online banking on a browser, look for the Zelle transfer logo or tab and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Using Zelle with Capital One is an easy and confident way to send and receive money securely from your account.